Hey guys, how to fix ASUS laptop battery charger plugged in but not charging problem. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys a method. I hope by using this method your problem will be solved. So let's see. So at first you disconnect the charger. Then you take out the battery from your laptop. So after that you take out the battery from your laptop. So after taking out the battery from your laptop, you connect the charger to your laptop. After connecting charger to your laptop, you wait around 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you put back the battery on your laptop. After putting back the battery, you check that your laptop is charging or not. That's for today guys. I hope by using this method, your problem will be solved. Thank you.